Welcome to Learn with Fun, where curiosity meets creativity and learning feels like play.
Have you ever wondered what's happening beneath the surface of a volcano? Before it erupts? It's not just lava boiling underground. It's pressure, gas, fire, and chaos, building up in total silence, until boom, the ground explodes. Volcanoes are some of the most powerful forces on Earth. But what causes them to erupt? Let's dive inside one and see what's really going on. This magma forms when parts of the Earth's mantle melt due to high temperatures and pressure. If the magma finds a crack or vent in the Earth's crust, it begins to rise and fast. That's when the volcano starts to wake up. Earthquakes may begin. Steam and ash might start puffing out. Once the lava cools, it turns into new rock, creating new land. Volcanic ash helps fertilize soil, and minerals from deep underground get pushed to the surface. That means, even though volcanoes destroy, they also create, but the real eruption is still coming. Over time, the magma collects in underground chambers. Thick, fiery, and full of gas bubbles. Now, imagine a massive soda bottle being shaken. Because inside a volcano, silence is never empty. It's just waiting to erupt. That's what's happening inside the volcano. The pressure keeps rising. Deep beneath the volcano is a chamber of molten rock called magma. As gas builds up, it pushes the magma upwards, searching for a way out. The eruption blasts molten lava, ash clouds, rocks, and gas high into the sky. Some volcanoes erupt with slow, thick lava that oozes down the sides. Others explode violently, sending shockwaves across kilometers. The most dangerous ones can even trigger tsunamis, lightning storms, and darken the sky for days. When the pressure becomes too much, the volcano explodes. The air is filled with poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide, and the ground shakes from the sheer power of the explosion. It's one of nature's most incredible yet dangerous events. Inside the volcano, it's a terrifying scene. Molten rock melts everything in its path. Temperatures can reach over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Others, like Mount Vesuvius or Mount St. Helens, explode with massive force. The shape of the volcano, the type of magma, and the amount of gas all play a role in how it erupts. But not all volcanoes erupt the same way. Some, like Hawaii's Mauna Loa, erupt gently with flowing lava. So what happens after an eruption? Incredible, right? The Earth tears itself apart to build something new. So next time you see a peaceful-looking mountain, remember, it could be hiding fire and fury beneath its calm surface.
Subscribe to Fun Time with Samay for fun, facts, and educational videos every week.